If you've ever cleaned a record using wood glue, you know that when you peel it off, you can get it all off in one piece, it leaves a very nice negative of the original record it was on. I've been curious for a while as to what would happen if you tried to play one of these negatives on a record player. I've seen people make playable wood glue records using old record stampers, but I've never seen anyone attempt to play one made from a regular disc. So when I cleaned this record yesterday, Yakety Yak by the Coasters, which is a lot of fun to listen to, one of my favorites, I decided I would save the wood glue negative and try to play it. So after I peeled it off, I set it between a couple of heavy flat weights in order to keep the wood glue record from warping, and I've got it set up on my turntable now underneath the CDR and my hockey puck record clamp, which I showed off in my last video with the same 45, in order to hold it all in place on the turntable. So, let's give it a spin and see what it sounds like. And I'm going to start it from about the middle of the record. Wow, that is actually really impressive. I'm really surprised at the kind of sound that put out. I mean, granted, it still sounds terrible because of the obviously poor quality medium it's on, and when you're cleaning a record with wood glue, the point is to pull all the dirt and crap out of the grooves, so that doesn't help either, but that is definitely Yakety Yak. It sounds very distinct. It kind of plays backwards, though, which is to be expected because the grooves on a negative go from the inside of the record to the outside rather than the other way around. But it's still a more or less playable disc. I find that really interesting. I'm glad I tried that.